Hi, I'm Gino and welcome to Simply Elegant. I am super excited to show you guys a very simple recipe that is an easy accompaniment to any pasta or Italian dish. For this recipe, you need a bunch of herbs and spices, so I am using some crushed red pepper, some parsley, some onion and garlic powder, some oregano leaves, some salt and pepper, some Parmesan cheese, puff pastry that's been defrosted, and some unsalted butter. First, you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees, and then we're going to start by melting our butter. Just add your butter into the pot, and we're going to fully melt it on a medium heat. Once your butter is melted, it is time to season it up. I'm adding a few grapes, or about a quarter teaspoon of salt. Quarter teaspoon or a few grates of your pepper, about a quarter teaspoon of onion, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of parsley, small pinch of red crushed pepper, and a quarter cup of Parmesan cheese. Now just mix everything together and just let it simmer on a low heat so that the flavors can start to infuse with one another. Now with our puff pastry, we're going to roll it out a little bit just to try to get rid of the lines. Now you want to cut a little square. Cut a line at each corner that meets almost at the center. I just want to take one of your corners and place it into the middle. Take another corner, place it into the middle, another corner, into the middle, and your last corner into the middle. And you have a little pinwheel. Last but not least, you want to use a brush and brush on your garlic butter. Yummy, 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 yummy. Now that these pinwheels are complete, we're going to place them into our oven for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. Once these are out of the oven, give them another brush of your garlicky Parmesan butter and they are complete. Look at how fantastic these little pinwheels turned out. Guys, you definitely need to give this recipe a try. It is the definition of this show. Simple yet elegant. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can be a part of our Simply Elegant family. And if you have any other ideas for recipes that I can make on this show, leave a comment down below and I will try my best to make it as simple as possible. Until next time, remember to keep things simple yet elegant, and I will see you in the next episode.